What's up? What's up? It's your boy T1000 back here at Bitcoin News 365. So let me get into the news. So we have some charts here that we're looking at. So it is May 16th, 2019, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we have a price right now of Bitcoin at $7,905. Then it is down 1.62%. Okay. Not a big deal. Not, nope, no major problems. But as you can see, just from my glance at the chart so far, you can see all the peaks, right? Top. Looks like everything is starting to Okay, so you get the point. So looks like we're in a little bit of a little slight pullback. Nothing too major. From here, not sure exactly how low bit will go, but I mean we're still up pretty heavy, guys. So as you can see, we hit up there, bounced back, went up again, 81. So we're having a little bit resistance at about $8,300. So you got 8,300 with that. There's another pretty much 8,300. So if you look at the chart, our last was around there. Hit that support, blew through it, went up a little bit, hit another resistance, dropped down. Boom, blew through that resistance, dropped down again. Boom, blew through that resistance, dropped down again. And then parabolic down. So we were 8,300 is pretty much the resistance that I see. And we are at 78, 89. So looks like we're dropping. Might be a red day. Not too major. Not a big red day, but it's okay. And if you're watching this, hit the subscribe button. Please, just subscribe. Please, subscribe. Smash the like button. Smash the like button, too. Smash that like button. So, that's the news on Bitcoin. Ether. I'm kind of kicking myself in the lower region here because I remember December, it was $86. I thought it was going to stay around 90, 100, but nope. Shot up. So they're finding about 260, 270, somewhere in there. We're going to hit some resistance for Ether, but it looks like we're on a nice solid uptrend if you really look at this here. So that's cool. I'm not mad. Let's check out some news for today. My boy, the one, the only, Pomp. Oh, Mr. Wonderful, Mr. Wonderful, Mr. Wonderful. Can't be wonderful at everything. Because, man, I mean, if you guys didn't watch that, it's on CNBC. I mean, we'll take a quick little look here at this. But, oh man. So let's get to
what's going on here.
Where he gets funny here.
Does Bitcoin go down? You have a scarce asset?
These people are nuts.
I get gold. For 2,000 years, including the Romans, they saw value in owning that as an asset class.
Okay. Now let me stop him right there. For For 2,000 years, we've seen gold as an asset class. Okay. Now here's where it gets tricky. Because everyone wants to try to say gold has, more than one use and blah, blah, blah. Well, how much electricity do they have in Rome? How many semiconductors and computer parts and iPhone parts and whatever? They didn't have that. It was just a shiny rock. So we'll continue on.
Tell me why this, which is basically a digital game. Yeah.
A digital game? Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bruh. Either someone's paying him to say this or what, but really, come on. A digital game? A digital game is like PlayStation or Xbox or Nintendo Wii. I highly doubt a fungible, divisible, portable, digital currency that can be used and spent anywhere is a digital game. Wow. So let's continue on.
Has any intrinsic value? Would people actually put real money into this? They make no interest. They can't pay their taxes with it. The regulators don't.
Okay. That's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. Because for one, my state, the great state of Ohio. Oh, come on, ad blocker. OHIO, pay taxes with Bitcoin. Ohio says sure. So Mr. Wonderful is either wonderfully misinformed or he's the one that's full of BS. So let's continue on.
Like it, which is always a problem for compliance. And where's the long-term value? Just this idea that they're going to cut their number of units in half. That's such a scam. That's just totally BS.
It's total BS. It's a scam. It's like, come on, man. I understand your hair's gray and you lost 90% of it, and I actually like Mr. Wonderful. But, dude, come on, man. It's a scam? Like, really? We're still at that point? Scam? Ponzi scam? I mean, come on. It's not 2010, 2011, 12 anymore. Even 14, 15. Like, come on. Come on, Mr. Wonderful. Get it together, buddy.
So I'd say two things. One is it's disruptive technology. So if you look at it from a technology standpoint,
that also has an odor of BS to it.
It look, everything that's new seems different, right, in the beginning.
Oh, it's not going to disrupt. Like, could you imagine if they had blockchain voting?
And I think what
continue
you
on,
realize
Pomp.
is with Bitcoin specifically,
Pomp this fool in
money
his
is a
face.
belief system. So the U.S. dollar, the only reason why you and I use it is because we believe it has value. So I give you a...
Mm-hmm. Paper. We're dealing with P-A-P-E-R. Paper. So I hand someone a piece of paper, right? And they hand me goods or provide a service. I just pretty much gave them paper for service. It's not gold. There's nothing backing it. It's at a crazy interest rate. You have Federal Reserve. I mean, come on, dude. Let's keep going.
The dollar, you give me a good or service in exchange. We believe that it has value.
Pomp knows.
Bitcoin has value because two people who exchange it believe it has that value.
And there's where and that's what's going to happen. And that's where adoption comes in. Because we've already adopted paper money, Federal Reserve dollar notes. So everyone has adopted that, therefore it's worth money. So imagine once everyone sits down one day and they say, hey, you know what? I like Bitcoin's worth X amount, or I like, I think this is good. Then you're going to have a run to the bank.
I put $100 in.
Okay, let's check this out.
Something called Coinbase. Class at Harvard 18 months ago.
This is good right here.
People in that class
He's full of BS.
$100 into something called Coinbase, which is a wallet thing. And
you buy Bitcoin?
I bought it all. I bought all the crypto crap. I put $100 in. It's now worth $30.
He bought all the crypto crap. $100 worth $30. Now let's see if this is accurate. Let's see if we can expose him on this. Because I want to see this.
The young people in that class challenged me. I put
King is going to stay the king for a very long time.
So I taught a class at Harvard 18 months ago. The young people.
Okay. So let's see if Mr. Wonderful is full of wonderful BS. So this is from today. It's 18 months ago. I think people are like neglecting this. So, what 12 months ago would have been somewhere in here. No, I'm surprised no one picked up on this, because you can't BS a BSer. So that's a year ago, right? So that's 12 months. That put about a year. Yeah, he's out of his mind. So he puts $100 in 18 months ago, and if he did it there, that's his fault. Because why would you buy in at an all-time high? He's supposed to be this business savvy mastermind. Why would you, why would you buy in right there? So I'm thinking probably somewhere around here or here is probably when he did that. So I highly doubt that that's worth $30 right now. But whatever. It's another point.
When the class challenged me, I put $100 into something called Coinbase, which is a wallet thing. And
you buy Bitcoin?
I bought it all. I bought all the crypto crap. I put $100 in. It's now worth 30. That's a 70% loss on my crypto crap. Now, I bought them all. I think that really sucks. And I think people should understand today the hot digital is Bitcoin.
Okay. Well, let's just check this out. There's been plenty of stocks that I know people that purchased that went to zero. So I'm not sure, is he complaining about losing the 70%? Or, I don't understand, because that's going to come back. You got the volatility. It's like, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I mean, of course it follows this nice long uptrend, down, up, down. It's like saying, Mr. Wonderful is basically saying, hey, I bought all these stocks in 2007, and then in 2009, they dropped 30%. I don't understand, why would they do this? What? Yeah, look at the percentage, guys. Yeah. So I don't get what he's talking about here. But whatever, we can continue on.
US dollars in cash, right? It's much more traceable. And so what law enforcement is saying is they want these digital currencies used, Bitcoin specifically, because of the public nature of the transactions, easier to track the criminal activity after the fact. After the fact, yeah, of course. Well, US dollars, you can't track them before or after.
Last time this had a big run up to 20,000 and people started talking about assets with it, the SEC was handing out subpoenas like birthday cards.
They were doing it for the ICOs. So ICOs are essentially people who took the...
Okay. So this is what happened. ICO is an initial coin offering. So what you had is these pretty much con artists, let's say, they, pull together, let's say $1 million. They get a lawyer, they get, accountant, they get securities, personnel, they get all this stuff together, and then they come up with a crap name, let's just say new Bitcoin News Coin, right? So we're going to say BCN. Okay. So what they did is they raised all this funding, and it was pretty much a pump and dump, which I don't understand why people act like this only happens in cryptocurrency. This happens in the stock market constantly. I don't get it. So, they hand out subpoena. I mean, there's probably, Wolf of Wall Street. Look at all these places. I mean, come on, dude.
Concept of a blockchain or a cryptocurrency token they're using for fundraising for companies. And so you can imagine if you go out and solicit funds from investors, and you do nefarious things, the SEC cares.
That was basically fraud. I mean, you're talking about instances of fraud. And the fact of the matter is Bitcoin has been acting pretty well in respect to the recent bad news hitting the sector. We had a hack of Binance.
Binance was hacked, $40 million. But yeah, enough of this is corporate propaganda, sponsored, blah, blah, blah.
It wouldn't surprise me if we enter kind of a 2 to 3 year bull market now, and 20,000 I think will be a blip on the radar, just like previous past highs were.
Only Bitcoin,
Only Bitcoin.
no other crypto crap.
I'm not here to talk about anything else but Bitcoin.
It seems you would think that if it's all boats would rise in this time of crypto.
So for your
you would think, yes, that, and I do think that's going to happen. But, you know, you have all these other weird coins, and, you know, I don't think they're going to rise. Not every coin, of course. Of course not, Mr. Not so wonderful at this. I mean, we can go, let's check CoinMarketCap and just do some. Okay, we can just pick any random coin out of here. I don't know. Let's just say token card. All these people invest in, you know, a specific coin, not to pick on them. I don't know. Never heard of it. Could be a good coin. But, you know, if Bitcoin goes up to 150,000, who's to say that token card is going to go up to $15? You can't really say that. I mean, just because Berkshire Hathaway goes up doesn't mean it's going to pull, you know, MJ stock up 50%. So, no. That's a horrible analogy, horrible argument.
Here's the number one thing I can tell you as to why you should own Bitcoin. It's a non-correlated asymmetric return asset that the value drivers of all of your equities, everything else is tied to earnings, GDP, interest rates, etc.
Bitcoin's not tied to anything.
Well, neither is U.S. dollars, and how big is your cash position?
You know, I love your optimistic view of it. You haven't changed.
Ooh, burn. Torched, burned, chopped up, squawked up. Wow. Definitely old and out of touch. That wallet thing called Coinbase, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think he's BSing you guys a little bit. That's my point. Look at that. His students convinced him to put $100 into that crypto crap in December 2016, and he sold a year later. He'd be sitting on over 3K. Simply timing. I mean, that's it. I mean, there's nothing more for me to say. He just got torched up. Okay, RIP exchange Cryptopia begins liquidation after $15 million hack. Uh-oh. Once again, guys, please never keep your tokens on an exchange. Do not do that. Please. Learn from my mistakes. Mt. Gox, Cryptsy. I robbed me for about $1 million, but there's nothing I can do about it. Except for, you know, try to recover it. So don't do that. Please don't do that. If you go to their website, you know, they're liquidating. Who knows what's going on, but they're screwed over. So, hey, if you had money in there, I feel really bad for you. My condolences. I'm sorry. But hey, nothing you can do about that. All right, now let's check this out. Now for some good news. According to Prishu Garg, Bitcoin bear market top analyst says bull market is 99% in. All right, so according to the 200-day moving average, shows we've almost entered a what? Oh no, it's a horse. A bull market, not a horse market. This is the bull market. So you got Willy Woo, a prominent crypto analyst. He's saying, look guys, we have, look at that. You got that? I mean, dude, what? my prediction, you know, we're going to run in that $8,300 resistance. Back down a little bit, and then boom, 9,000. Back down a little bit, 11. Back down a little bit. Once that crosses 10,000, I think all bets are off. I think that's when bulls and institutional investors, everyone's sitting on the sidelines going to say, FOMO, 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 FOMO agato. I think they're going to be FOMO'd out, so I don't know. Made a prediction. He said 95% it's bottomed out. I thought we bottomed out in December, guys. My prediction was December 15th bottom out. So I kind of knew that. But yeah. He's not lying here. Strap on your seatbelts. We're going to the MOON. Let's see what else. Tron. Opera browser adds Tron to its native crypto wallet. Justin Sun. Like Justin Sun. He's the man. And I like Jack Ma. Jack Ma? Who's your ma? Jack. So, I'm not sure exactly what they're going to be doing here, but it looks like you're going to be able to use Tron on the DApp blockchain that they created. And, you know, originally Tron was with, or under Ethereum blockchain, then they built their own, and then now they got all these crazy dApps, and dApps are, what's a dApp? It's a decentralized application. So, yeah, they're pretty awesome. So, cooperation with Tron appears to be a true win-win. Both companies gain substantial benefits. The link should result in a strong growth potential for both as crypto gains adoption. So, somebody needs to timestamp this. I think Tron's about 1 cent, maybe 2 cents. So, yeah. Let's get back to this, because it looks like some changes have been making it. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin, we hit that, went sideways, hit down. We're gonna go sideways again. Maybe hit down a little bit, go sideways. So we're gonna end off pretty good today, guys. Well, Stellar 14 cents. So, if you would have gotten Stellar 8 cents. Right? If you got 7 cents right here, February, you put 10,000 in Stellar, it'd be 20 right now. Wow. So yeah, let's just you know, soak that in. But I don't know, guys. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. But I don't know. I'm thinking it is time. I think it's time, man. We're bull running, man. Like hustle and flow, man. Ooh, Cuban. Okay. See, Mark Cuban's not a dummy. He's like, you know what? I'm getting ready to jump on this Bitcoin wagon, and I'm gonna run this thing all the way. I mean, he could honestly could have spent, you know, what, 100 million? It wouldn't have hurt him. Google searches scream FOMO, I bet. Crypto hedge fund bought during the dip. Buy the dip, man. Buy the dip. We dip. So, once again, guys, it's your boy, T1000, from BitcoinNews365.com. So, you guys have a good day, and happy bull run to ya. And I'm out.